Meaning of inflammation.
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 Inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the body's immune system to injury, infection, or irritation. It is characterized by redness, heat, swelling, pain, and sometimes loss of function in the affected area. The purpose of inflammation is to remove harmful stimuli and begin tissue repair. In some instances, however, inflammation can become chronic and may lead to serious health problems such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. It is important to identify the underlying cause of inflammation and take appropriate measures to address it to maintain overall health and well-being.